how to connect 8BitDo Ultimate 2C to your PS5 or your PS4 in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand why this connection is not going to work. The 8BitDo Ultimate 2C doesn't support PlayStation's authentication system. Even if Bluetooth pairing appears, the console won't accept it for gameplay. So to make this work, you need to plug it into the adapter like Brook Wingman XC2 or similar. So what you need to do is you need to simply connect the adapter to your console, and then you can pair your controller to the adapter. The adapter then going to translate the signals so that the console treats it as a supported controller. So you need to switch your controller to the X input mode before pairing with the adapter, and this is going to ensure the proper button mapping and the stable response. Using other modes can cause the missing inputs or the incorrect controls, so you need to make sure that you do it. Now after, when you are inside the X input mode, you need to put the adapter into the pairing mode. For that, you need to press and hold the controller's pairing button, wait for the LED until it becomes stable, and once it is connected, the controller will function like a standard gamepad. So on PS5, this setup mainly works for PS4 titles. For native PS5 games, most of the adapters won't provide full compatibility. So this is the most reliable workaround for PS4 and limited to PS5 usage. So I hope you understand this. Thank you.